How to download Node.js in Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. So in order to install or download Node.js, you have to first open any of your browser and search for Node.js download. Doing so, you will see the official website by Node.js itself. Tap on it and you'll land to the download page. Here you can see different options to download. You have to click on the one that you are using. If you are using Windows, you have to click on Windows installer. Once that is done, you will see that the download has been started. It might take a while, so you'll have to wait. Once the app has been downloaded, you can click on Open Now. It will then check the setup wizard, which will check the location and space. Once that is done, you can click on the Next button. After that, you'll have to install few settings. For that, you just have to click on Next and accept the terms and conditions. And after all the packages has been installed, the Node.js setup will be completed and you have downloaded it on your Windows. To open Node.js, you can go to the search bar, search for Node.js, and just by that, you will open the app. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.